the name of Allah, today we are going to discuss and complete workbook page 3, unit 1, part D. Read the paragraph, complete the sentences with the words in the box. In the box, there are few words given, so we have to complete the paragraph blank places with the help of these words. So let's start. Marco wanted to be an astronaut someday and travel through the universe. This universe is the word given already. And travel through the universe in a dash. Spacecraft. Number 2, we will write spacecraft. Spacecraft. Someday, Marco found a large, shiny black stone in the park. He showed it to his father, who is a scientist. His father said that the stone could be a meteorite. Could be a meteorite. In number 3, we will write meteorite. He asked Marco to bring the stone to the dash observatory. We will write in number 4, observatory, where Marco's father worked every night. We'll show it to the other scientists. He said, you can also look through the dash. So in number 5, we will write telescope. You can also look through the telescope. There, Marco was excited. So in number 1, already written universe. In number 2, you will write spacecraft. Number 3, meteorite. Number 4, observatory. And number 5, telescope. Now, page number 4. There is a story, Stanley's super spacecraft. You will read this story and write the answers in the given questions in the given place. So number A, read what does Stanley's do, the George and Amanda. So you will read this story and write in your own words, but according to my opinion, I will write here, he travels through the universe with them in his super spacecraft. What does Stanley do with George and Amanda? According to this story, my opinion is that we will write, he travels through the universe with them in his super spacecraft. So you can read it out, this story, and then you can write your own opinion. So this is page number 5. With the help of given story, we will write the answers of these questions. Number A, do you think Stanley's story could be true someday? Why and why not? So, according to my opinion, we will write yes. I think that in the future, scientists will be able to invent a spacecraft for each person. So according to my opinion, the answer should be yes. I think that in the future, scientists will be able to invent a spacecraft for each person. Now, question number B, how did the pictures change in your mind as Stanley flew further from Earth? Write in the chart. This chart is given first, next, and finally. In the first part, already written that Earth was a beautiful blue ball behind Stanley's spacecraft. So in the next we will write, I saw the Milky Way galaxy shaped like a disk. In the next part we will write, I saw the Milky Way galaxy shaped like a disk. It was filled with billions. It was filled with billions of stars. So next, finally, in the third part, finally, I saw billions of tiny galaxies that made up the universe. So it was filled with the billions of tiny galaxies, the star. So finally, I saw billions of tiny galaxies that made up the universe. Now, part C, answer the question, do George and Amanda have their own spacecraft? How do you know? This is C, and question number 1, according to the story, yes, they do. In 2009, every child on Earth has a spacecraft, according to the story, because in the story is written that about this. So my opinion is that the answer should be yes, they do. In 2009, every child on Earth has a spacecraft. So number 2, what did Amanda do the day before she flew with Stanley? What did Amanda do the day before she flew with Stanley? So according to my opinion, she went shopping on Mars, flew around some asteroids, and chased a comet. She went shopping on Mars, flew around some asteroid, and chased a comet. So number 3, how did Amanda feel about her day in Stanley's spacecraft? Why do you think she felt that way? So this is question number 3, and according to my opinion, the answer should be, she will remember it forever. She will remember it forever because she saw the whole universe. She will remember it forever. She remember, this is, here should be it. Sorry, because this is written F. So she will remember it forever because she saw the whole universe. So now we will complete the D part, words in context, read and write. So we should write these words in the given box in the 4 sentences. Number 1, most stars seem like dash of light. Most stars seems like specks of light. Most stars seem like specks of light. Number 2, there is nothing more vast than the universe. So in number 2, we will write vast. There is nothing more vast than the universe. So number 3, the Milky Way is shaped like a dash, like a disk. The Milky Way is shaped like a disk. So number 4, astronauts travel through space, but they dwell on Earth. Number 4, astronauts travel through space, but they dwell on Earth. So this was part D. Now grammar in use, study the grammar. So learn predictions with Will. I will take you on an amazing journey. Amanda will remember this day forever. She'll want to go on another adventure with Stanley. they'll go even further into space the next time they travel. So she'll is, we can read it she will, and they'll, we can read it they will. So now underline the words. Underline the words will in each sentence and circle the verb after it, then match. So we should see in the part B, and this is the page number 6. So my little brother says he will be the first person to walk on Mars. So we have to match with it. So number 1 will be C. Number 1 will be C. So we have to match the shape with the sentence, and also we have to underline the will and circle the verb. Number 2, astronauts will find. So we have to underline will. So here is astronauts will. So there will be maybe a problem. So we should underline this will and circle. We should circle the verb. And in this sentence, verb is find. So we can circle verb, and also we can match with the shape. Astronaut will find water on a planet somebody. So the shape which is telling us that is D. So the shape which matched with number 2 is D. So we can write here number 2. So number 3, another bright comet will appear in the sky sometime soon. Another bright comet will. We will underline will and circle the verb. And verb in this sentence is appear. So we will circle appear in the sky sometime soon. And the picture which is related to this are matching to this sentence, that is F. The number of the picture is F, and we can write here number 3. Now number 4, each child will have his or her own spacecraft in future. So we will underline will. This is the will. Okay, and the verb is have. Each child will have. We will circle have his or her own spacecraft in the future. So the shape which is matching with sentence number 4 is B. So we'll write here B, and in the place of B we can write number 4. Sorry, this is not proper writing, so let me erase this one and write this is number 4. So number 5, students will take field trips to the moon someday. So will, we will underline will, and the verb is take, so we will circle take, and the shape which is matching with sentence number 5 is E. Number E. So we can write in the shape number E, number 5. So the last sentence, scientists will build even bigger telescopes in future. So we will underline will, and the verb is build. So we will circle the verb, and the picture which is matching with sentence number 6 is A. So this is number 6. So let me write this correctly. So this is number C, then D, then F, then B, then E, and then A. Okay, so this was the part B. So hope that it will be easy for you, and I hope that this video will be supportive for you. So if you have any suggestion, your opinion, so please write in the chat box, and please subscribe my channel and write your opinions. Thank you.